Hi, I'm David Bird, the Director of Entrepreneurship at the University of New South Wales. Driving innovation in health technologies is an important priority for UNSW. We have some of the world's best medical and engineering researchers, and we're making a huge investment into the infrastructure that supports them through the Randwick Health and Education Precinct. We've also partnered with the George Institute for Global Health to deliver our Health 10X program that supports emerging entrepreneurs that are translating health discoveries into new companies.
Hi, I'm Scott Featherston, Chief Financial Officer of the George Institute's commercial arm. The George Institute is about improving health outcomes around the world, particularly for the underserved. We've partnered with the University of New South Wales to combine our strengths to create Health 10X. Our collective aim is to bring affordable, life-saving and life-improving technologies to the underserved, both here in Australia and around the world. This is both a moral imperative and a commercial opportunity. It is why we created and invested in Health 10X, and it is why we hope to attract others to invest in the entrepreneurs we work with and the businesses they're creating.
This year, we supported 37 startups through the pre-accelerator phase of the Health 10X program. And ultimately, we selected 5 of these companies to invest in through the Health 10X accelerator. And in this video, I'd like to share with you some of the most exciting health startups that we found in 2020. These startups cover a range of technologies, everything from assisting people with Parkinson's to walk better, through to helping people in underserved communities to regain their vision. All of the teams you'll see in this video have come through the Health 10X program, where we help the founders to build the skills and networks that they need to grow their company. Both UNSW and the George have also invested into these companies via a SAFE on terms that are most founder-friendly in Australia. What you'll see next is a snapshot of these startups so you can get a glimpse of why UNSW and the George are so excited about these companies.
Uncorrected refractive error refers to blurred vision which can be improved with glasses, and it's the leading cause of visual impairment worldwide, affecting over 1 billion people, 90% of whom live in remote and developing communities. It is the cause of a huge economic and psychosocial burden. A few years ago, while I was working in the Solomon Islands, I noticed that although there was little in the way of medical or surgical treatment, most people could have their vision improved if only they had glasses. There was no one to test them for glasses. They couldn't travel to where there was professional eye care available. And even if they got there, they couldn't afford the glasses. So I invented the 4Eyes Vision Kit. It contains everything a layperson needs to test for and dispense customized prescription glasses on the spot. An innovative testing device, vision charts, durable spectacle steel frames and lenses, and a mobile application which incorporates training, record keeping, and business management. We did a pilot study earlier this year in Papua New Guinea where we trained 6 local testers who tested 400 people and dispensed 220 pairs of glasses over 3 days. In a follow-up survey, 98% of people who got the glasses gave them the highest rating, not only for improvement in their vision, but also improvement in their quality of life. LEK consultants have studied this pilot and calculated that every dollar spent on the 4Eyes project resulted in a $91 benefit to the community. Invest in 4Eyes. We predict you will receive a healthy financial return within 5 to 7 years, while at the same time creating a better looking world.
Every second, a vulnerable patient is infected. Every 3 minutes, a vulnerable patient dies from a healthcare-acquired infection. According to World Health Organization, 700,000 deaths a year from infections occur. These are preventable. Human cleaning error is the main cause of contaminated surfaces and healthcare-acquired infections.
Hi, I'm Murray McDonald, the founder of Movie.
Meet Movie. The first of our two products is a clinically proven UV germicidal light technology that kills superbugs and disinfects highly touched surfaces and mobile medical equipment. Movie Light can be used to rapidly disinfect between patients or after a hospital room discharge. Remotely switch on Movie and as little as 10 minutes the environment is disinfected. What makes Movie unique is our patent-pending Movie sensor that digitally validates when rooms and equipment are disinfected and alerts when forgotten. It's a tiny wireless disinfection tracking sensor that attaches to portable medical equipment, ventilator, a wheelchair, the wall of a patient room. In February, 4 Wuhan hospitals purchased a large quantity of our technology. Movie's selling to customers in Australia, faster decision-making sectors in the dental, medical and aged care. In Australia, we're undertaking trials at Royal Melbourne Hospital ICU, COVID-19 trials underway at UNSW. Movie is growing into Scandinavia with distribution discussions commence with planned ICU trials in Germany. Our brilliant international diverse team that's taking Movie global. We are agile, gritty, passionate, highly experienced advisors. Join us at Movie as we save lives and shine a bright light on superbugs and contaminated surfaces and help high-risk, vulnerable patients globally.
We recently spoke with some senior doctors at a leading cardiovascular organisation, and we were surprised to hear them say that they have over 30% of their patients who have unexplained disease. And in total, over 40% of their patients still have problems with their therapies. And it's common that when doctors are looking at symptoms of disease, they will try to deduce what is wrong with a patient and then prescribe drugs using a standardised approach. But we know that each of us is different. Patients often have multiple health problems at the same time, and some drugs can be more effective for one person than another. At 23 Strands, we believe the 3 billion base pairs of a patient's DNA is a significant missing piece of the puzzle, and we've found a way to deliver insights from the genome, both cost-effectively and timely. We're aiming to help every medical practitioner in the world with this unique and powerful diagnostic tool. And our process also allows the patient to come back at the most critical times in their healthcare journey, through their entire lifetime of care. And from a simple blood sample, we can deliver our Cardio23 solution, making it one of the most useful and cost-effective diagnostic tests available today. As a team, we've already delivered our first 21 patients improved health insights. Through this experience, our team has also identified over 90,000 cardiac patients per year in Australia who are having problems with their disease management. And in our first year of commercialisation, we're aiming to help over 500 of these patients. In our next target market, Asia, there's over 10 times this, and we're aiming to bring new diagnostics, monitoring, and cost-effective algorithms to help solve the problem of cardiac disease. If you're connected with clinics or medical professionals, please come talk with us about how you could use 23 Strands to transform your organisation, your work, and the lives of your patients.
Imagine living in a country where 75% of the population have no direct access to healthcare, where the average speed of travel is 6 kilometers per hour and takes you hours to go to the hospital. The lack of digital infrastructure in the healthcare industry of Bangladesh has restricted its people from accessing quality healthcare. Now you're looking at a queue for a doctor's appointment in a medium-sized clinic in Bangladesh. Appointments are taken only at certain hours of the day, in person or through the phone, where people face the same problems of being put on hold due to too many callers. The diagram shows the user experience of patients and doctors. Patients book appointments in seconds, and proper scheduling system eliminates wait time. Patients who can't travel long distances can use our video consultation platform. Doctria provides a doctor's portal to store necessary data, allowing doctors to diagnose more effectively and reduce chances of misdiagnosis. Moreover, our digital prescription service allows patients to store their digital health records. Currently, Dhaka City alone has over 7,300 private hospitals, and we have signed 4 of them already, and they are on our trial. Our collaboration with Jago Foundation, which is one of the largest NGOs in Bangladesh, is helping them deliver video consultation to underprivileged COVID-19 patients in remote areas. No solution in the Bangladeshi market is as scalable or affordable as Docterio, and international providers lack the cultural aspect of our solution. Our current targets are hospitals and clinics, which means patients and doctors won't have to pay for our services. I'm Rizwan Chaudhary from Docterio. Please join our community and help us redefine the healthcare infrastructure of Bangladesh.
What we're doing is we're putting electronics into the socks. They've got pressure-sensitive insoles to detect stepping.
Co-creator Dr. Matthew Brodie believes his invention, Smart Socks, could change lives forever.
When the person has difficulty stepping, the computer tells the sock to vibrate. Left, right, left, right. The person with Parkinson's, their brain interprets that as a signal that they need to take a step.
Constant tremors, slow movements, rigid muscles, even difficulty writing. This is the reality for mother of two Larissa Roberts living with Parkinson's disease. She's one of 100,000 in Australia, 10 million worldwide living with the condition. But a revolutionary new invention is rewiring the brain to ease simple tasks and hopefully prevent dangerous trips or freezes.
The innovative research done at Neura that has led to Walking Tall is another example of how we can work in the commercialisation ecosystem. We're particularly interested in is now undertaking research that will help the company in their journey to commercialisation.
Walking Tall Health plans to bring a ground-changing medical device to market, and we have a plan to take us from the research and clinical trial phase through to a global distribution. We're going to start in 2021 with the results of our clinical trial funded by the Michael J. Fox Foundation. From there, we will seek regulatory approval and we will start to launch into a local market first, beginning in Australia. We'll build scale in Australia before launching through to the UK and the US and then globally. I really hope that you will decide to join us on this journey and really make a difference.
The 5 startups you've just seen are raising funding to scale their solutions. They're backed by UNSW and the George and are well positioned to grow. To learn more about the teams you've seen today or any of the startups in our portfolio, please contact me. Health 10X will run again in 2021, helping entrepreneurs to build the new companies that will positively impact on millions of lives around the world. Come and join us.